Like, there's no comparison. Spider-Man 2, Dr. Octopus, you know how awesome that is? Yeah, like, Spider-Man 2, that's like way better than The Dark Knight. It's like...
That's not gonna work. Put up one
I thought you were over there. The keys. See this? New car, buddy. I got a car. New Chevrolet. About to go ride around with my girlfriend. Hey, new Chevrolet. See this? Just got my new convertible. You hear this? Hold this. Hold this.
Get this nigga.
Oh, I gotta fucking hold off this jumper.
You took my jumper. Tommy's gonna own
You hear this? New life.
Check this out. You wanna see this?
Probably a hard wall for some kid.
You think a normal man could do that?
That was already there. Sorry, guys.
We're gonna get in trouble.
Graffiti. I can't go to jail. Oh, fuck, you guys approached me.
Hey, me, it's me, LaQuish. I killed a man in cold blood. I killed a man to take his core. My baby mama. She was sleeping with my baby mama. Goddamn keys, though.
Hey, I'm a man who knows how to get things.
Is that what they say? Sorry about that kiss. You're just really pretty. So you can get things then.
You'll fit
I guess
right
this
in
is the
with
Shawshank Redemption then.
You'll fit right in with this.
Would you say that I'm redeeming myself in this prison, Shawshank?
No.
I guess this isn't the Shawshank Redemption then. So, you're black, people tell me.
Yes.
I'm innocent, I didn't kill my wife.
Well, don't you
They're
know?
telling me that I killed my wife, I'm innocent though.
Everyone in here is innocent.
Everyone? Not you, I'm sure.
Oh, I'm innocent as...
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I've been locked up in here for 27 years.
What did you do?
Robbing a TV.
You said you were innocent.
I am. They gave me the TV.
You are black, correct?
Yes.
You are a black man, correct?
You asked me this 3 times now.
I just don't want to get it wrong.
Why?
Because you don't look like a black man. I guess you could call this the Shawshank Redemption then. This is supposed to intimidate.
How?
Because you'll hear it when I'm walking down a really long corridor, like the Bear Jew.
Ooh.
Okay, can I walk out
Oscar,
of the
you're
shadows doing
cool
that?
like the Bear Jew. Gonna have quirky and random piano playing.
We'll have the beast and you can play it.
Yeah. Yeah.
New car. Okay, that's the end of the movie. Roll credits. Villain dead. Hero 1. Villain 0.
Ooh.
That's what I call the Shawshank Redemption.